back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out this new foundation from Hourglass. It's the packaging. It's really pretty, classic packaging from Hourglass, and it's called the Illusion Luminous Glow Foundation Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30, and this is a net weight of 1.1 fluid ounces or 35 milliliters. I didn't know that this had an SPF in it. I just picked it up because I saw it on Ulta and it's exclusive to Ulta, so I just decided to pick it up. I'll put pricing and everything later on. You guys already know. So I picked up shade 13, and this is what the packaging looks like, and it's really pretty. I was very drawn to it. It's the cap. Everything is plastic. It's very lightweight. I think it'll be perfect for traveling, just the size and everything. So let's get started. And again, I picked up shade 13. I already went and opened it just to save time. It comes with a little tin foil on it. So I have two brushes here today that I'm going to try out. So I'm going to try out this brush, the Sigma F80 Air, on this side of my face. And then on the other side of my face, I'm going to try the Real Technique ones. You guys know that I really love this brush as well. This is the Seamless Complexion brush. So I'm going to apply this straight to the brush. This is what I typically do, or I just put it to my hand. So this is what it looks like. And I believe this is a neutral shade, if I am correct. Okay, I'm trying not to drop that. So I'm just gonna like stipple it on my face. And it looks like it's gonna match me. Hold on, my hair wants to be part of the demonstration. And I decided to try out this brush because I find that this brush, I haven't used it a lot, one. And two, I find that it's really good at blending out very light, foundations, like something that's like a skin tint. Which, is this a skin tint or is this a foundation? It's a foundation, sorry. I had to think for a minute. So that really blended out flawlessly. And it looks like skin. That looks really, really good. I'm just going to look in the mirror real quick to see if I want to do like another layer. So looking in the mirror, it just looks like skin. Like, it looks really, really good. And I don't see like a white cast or anything like that so far. I'm going to leave it like that for now. And then maybe on this side, we'll do like a second layer. I don't know. I'm just kind of winging it, you guys. All right, so let's do the other brush. I'm going to apply the product to the brush again. About the same amount. So, like I said, about the same amount. We're going to use this brush. And I'm just going to paint it on with this one. And as you can see with this brush, I feel like it kind of did what's the word? It made it look more intense, like if it's a second application. So it's all about, that's one thing about brushes. I don't know if you guys realize that. Some brushes will give you a more fuller coverage and some brushes will give you a more natural, like, skin finish. So that's why I wanted to use two different brushes today to show you that the same product can look totally different just using a different brush. So as you can see with this side, we're using the Real Techniques brush. It looks like I did like a full coverage application, as you can see. And then with the Real Technique, with this brush, the Sigma brush, it looks more like one layer of product on my face. So again, this is the Real Technique side. And then this is the Sigma side. And honestly, I like the way both sides look. I think it just depends on like how I want my makeup to look that day. So right now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to wear this for the rest of the day. And hopefully I'll come back and check in today. If I do not, I will try to take like pictures and all that. You guys know the drill. So that I can then come back and talk about this product. So it most likely won't be today. Most likely it'll be tomorrow. And so we're going to just take it from there. And when I come back for the review, then I'll tell you how much it costs and all that stuff like that. I think that'll be covered then. So I will see you guys in the follow-up. Hey everyone, so we are back. I'm wearing my glasses. I've had this on for 2 hours. I'm going to take off my glasses so you can see. Very minimal transfer to my glasses, which I expect, you know. So remember, this is the side we use the real, not the Real Techniques, the Sephora brush. I mean, the Sigma Beauty brush. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm sorry, guys. And honestly, when I look at the camera, I think it looks beautiful. That's just like, oh my God, this looks so, you know, flawless, all that. And this is the Real Technique side. But when you get up close, can you see that? Like, I feel like my skin has sucked it up. And I got that weird white cast here around my mouth. I'm not loving it. I know it looks good from far away. I don't like it. But as you can see, like the creasing, I'm expecting that, guys. I'm 52 years old and my hair looks wild and crazy. So it is what it is. We can talk about another video. But my skin looks very dewy and it looks great. Like for me, it looks like if I just moisturize my face. But when you get up close, you see how my skin looks like. I feel like my skin looks very textured. Like I have a bunch of little bumps on my face. And if you guys are wondering, whenever I'm going to try a foundation on, I purposely exfoliate my face and do like a really good skincare routine. So typically what I'll do is I'll make sure that I've been hydrating my face very well for at least 3 days. And then right before I'm going to film a video about a foundation, I will exfoliate always, so my skin is very smooth. So like I said, from far away it looks amazing, it looks great in this camera, but here I'm just like, I don't like how it looks. So unfortunately I am going to return this. And I don't know what it is with me with foundations that have any kind of skincare in it. It just does not work for me. I don't know why, but it just doesn't. I guess I'm the exception to the rule. And also when I took the picture, which I'll insert the picture here of the one that I took initially, and it did not give a white cast, which is great. But I was also getting, when I took the picture, it was reminding me of the Patrick Ta foundation because I kind of had the same thing. But I feel like this performed a little bit better than the Patrick Ta one, because the Patrick Ta one I felt like was just a hot mess. But let me tell you how much this costs and everything, because I did not mention that. So this is exclusive to only Ulta, so you can only get it at Ulta Beauty. And I believe there are 24 shades, and this costs $58. Now, you guys know it's going to be expensive because it's Hourglass. Hourglass is very expensive luxury brand, and it's gotten on Ulta's site a 4.7 average out of 482 reviews. So it seems like everybody's giving it 5 stars. I guess I'm just the exception to the rule, like I said previously. So this foundation is a no for me. I'm so sorry. But if any of you have tried it, let me know if it worked out for you, or if you have any tips. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, that these foundations that have skincare in it don't work for me. I don't know. I was very disappointed because, like I said, I really liked how it looked when I applied it with the Sigma brush over the Real Techniques side, even though this, okay, let me break it down. This is what I mean. This side for me, the Sigma side, I felt like would be perfect for every day, like if I would just wanted to put something on and run out the door. But this side, I felt like this is how I would do it, like the full beat, if I was doing a full thing of makeup. Like I put nothing on. I didn't put any powder. I didn't put any concealer. I've been trying to do that more when I'm trying out foundations, so that I can get a real sense of, you know, the skin tone or whatever I'm trying out, how it's working, and like anything conflicting with it. Because I feel like if it works great by itself, then the products that I know have been working, my tried and true products that are working for me, are going to be great when I put them with the product that I'm testing out. So anyways, enough rambling. I wish I had more positive things to say, but this is definitely going back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.